Now we will be seeing how to construct an involute. The problem given is draw an involute of a square of side 35 mm. Also draw a tangent and a normal at any point on the curve. First draw the square of side 35 mm. First draw a vertical line of 35 mm. Since it is square, all the four sides are equal. After drawing the square, give the notations to the edges of the square, that is A, B, C and D. To draw the involute of a square, draw a line from the point B through the point A and also extend the line so that you will be getting a line BA of a certain distance. Then take A as center and AD as radius. Draw a curve till it meets the line that we have drawn in previous step. Now the intersection of the curve and the line is being marked as P1. The second step here is to taking P1 as radius and B as center, you need to draw a curve. After drawing the curve, draw a line from C to B and extend the line so that it meets the curve at P2. The third step here is taking C as center and C P2 as radius, you need to draw a curve. Next, from the point D through the point C, draw a line so that the line DC and the extension line will be meeting the curve. The intersection of the curve and the line is denoted as P3. The fourth step here is taking D as center and D P3 as radius, draw a curve. Next, draw a line from the point A through the point D so that it meets the curve at a point. The intersection of the curve and the line is being denoted as P4. The curve starting from the point D passing through P1, P2, P3 and P4 will be the involute of the given square. Now to draw the tangent and normal, select any one point on the curve. See where your point lies, that is the point here, it lies in between the point P3 and P4. Here for drawing the curve P3, P4 we have taken D as center. Since we have taken D as center for drawing the curve P3, P4, we need to connect the point D with the selected point on the curve. Here the line connecting the point D and the selected point will be acting as a normal to the involute of the square. Now we need to draw a perpendicular line to the normal through the point we have selected on the curve. This perpendicular line will be acting as a tangent to the involute of the square.